dolls ready. Invite your doll. We'll see if you can do little cute star sandwiches for your dolls. For this recipe, you'll need peanut butter, jam, a rolling pin, a piece of bread, a star cookie cutter, and a knife. Roll the bread until it's flat. This might take a long time. I'm going to use the butter knife to cut it down the middle. With the knife, you get some peanut butter and you spread it on the one. And then you take the jelly and you put it on the other piece. And then you put them together. And then you take your star cookie cutter You can get 3 or 4 sandwiches per slice of bread. And here's another good one. And then you put it on the dish. Now you have little cute star sandwiches for your dolls. Doll-sized mini pumpkins using Applejack cereal and little sticks of celery. So first, you take one of the Applejack cereal. You get one of the celery sticks and you put it, and then you can put it on something for display. Now I'm going to make jam pinwheel sandwiches. Have a grown-up cut the crusts up. You get the rolling pin and you roll it till it's flat. This is hard. This is flat enough. Got very thin. Second, you spread it with jam. It doesn't matter which jam or which jam you're using. So you don't have to worry about if you don't have the same kind of jam I am using right now. I think this jam is apricot. And then this is Jessica and this is Lily. We're having a doll party. Here are the pumpkins I made with you, and these roll sandwiches, and these star sandwiches, and there's a little pumpkin decoration made of lettuce and oranges. Hello! have a tea party? Okay, I can do some witch magic. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Whoa, it's a tea party now. Yay. I almost broke the table. I did break the table. Oh, come on. I didn't know you needed to get it up and put it on my plate. Happy Halloween.